Grizzly gang, it's your boy Grizzly, man. I'm back with another daggone video. So today, y'all, you see this little chill. I got my daggone farmer jacket on. It's just a little cold, but it is sunny out there. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to move Black Beauty. We got some things to do. Oh yeah, we hit 3K. Hey man, we hit 3K people, man. Hey, shout out to all the Grizzly gang that have been supporting your boy. Hey, shout out to y'all, man. Y'all are the best dag-on group around, man. I'm telling y'all, this on all in my eye, that's what I'm squinting. But this is for y'all. This is 3K startup right here. 3K startup. Yes, sir. 3K startup, baby. I'm feeling 3K better. 3K stronger. Everything 3K. Everything 3K, man. I'm telling y'all. So what I'm about to do? About to head around, do some errands a little bit. You see, already got a blue girl over there. About to move her and put her in this spot because this is my spot. All right. That's how I take care of my investment. You know, this is my business. So I'm about to go move her. Let me let her warm up a little bit. Alright, turn that down. Let her warm up a little bit, but yeah. So let me just run y'all down everything that's been happening. So of course the thing with my money got taken sucks. All right, that happened to me, and then the 3K happened. So the 3K is definitely a blessing. See, I tell you, when bad things happen to you, unfortunate things happen to you, then something good can happen to you, you know? So count your blessings, y'all. Everybody count your blessings. So I hit 3K subscribers. So what I'm gonna be doing on 3K subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away my Chrysler emblem in any color you want, but the 300 and the S is gonna come as is. That's gonna be like the second winner. So it's gonna be 2 winners in this giveaway. All right, it's only gonna be 2. You know, I'm new to this giveaway. I only have 3K, so it's gonna be simple for me. But everything is gonna be from me, and I'm gonna give to you guys. So my Chrysler symbol is gonna be, I'm gonna get a hydro dip in any type of hydro dipping that you want on the Chrysler symbol, which is right here. So any color, any design that you want on this Chrysler symbol, I will be getting hydro dip for you guys, and I will be getting it shipped and mailed to you. And also, this carbon fiber is a hydro dip carbon fiber 300 with the orange carbon fiber S. I was gonna put on my car, but I kind of like my car without the emblem, so I'm gonna give them away. And it's already hydro dip, but this is not hydro dip, so it's gonna go get hydro dip by one of you guys. Let me know how y'all want it. If y'all still want the Chrysler symbol to show, I know my guy, he can do that. He can cover up the Chrysler symbol and then put the design around it. Hold on, let me keep the design around it. So y'all tell me what y'all like, man, if y'all want to get this. But you have to glue it on with double-sided tape, as you see. So you got to do that part. But we'll be shipping this to you guys, whoever is the lucky winner, and that will be I will tell you the time, because there's going to be a live stream actually. So let me go ahead and move her. I think she's nice and warmed up. It's going to be a live stream of the winning. So I should have about a few people, I'm guessing, on the live stream to do this giveaway. All right, so back to what I was saying. I'm back on the road, you know, so got to do these errands. So what I got to do is so about the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be on Monday. So Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, I'm gonna say one more time, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Go ahead and put that on your calendar right now. I will be doing a live stream on my IG, which is Grizzly_Marty. All right, y'all go to that, and that will be on my live screen. Okay, I'll be live. All right, so I'll be interacting with y'all, man. I'll be on there for a minute, you know. But I will be starting at 5 p.m. okay, and that's when I'll start doing the giveaway. You know, I'm gonna interact with y'all, man, you know, see what y'all are talking about and stuff like that, answer a few questions. But I will be doing the giveaway at 5 p.m. Eastern time live on my IG, which is Grizzly_Marty. All right, so there we go. So Monday, stay ready for Monday, y'all. That's why I'm gonna be doing the giveaway, and whoever will be the winner, that's who's gonna win, man. So y'all make sure, if y'all want that Chrysler symbol, or y'all just want to interact with Grizzly Marty, come meet me at 5 p.m. Eastern time, all right? And I know y'all smart, bro. Y'all know about Eastern time. I think everybody has smartphones. If you don't know what Eastern time is, and you can figure it out, use your brain, all right? I know y'all can do it, because my Grizzly gang, we smart, man. We stay smart. That's why we got Chrysler 200s, because we smart. But y'all remember, I'm gonna say it one more time for y'all. I'm gonna say it one more time for y'all, man, because I don't want nobody to be like, oh man, I forgot what the day was. But it will be 5 p.m. Eastern time. You know, I gotta say Eastern time. I gotta enunciate my words, you feel me? Eastern time, okay? 5 p.m. Eastern time. And I will be doing the giveaway there. So you have to follow me on IG, which is Grizzly_Marty. And you're gonna see everything down below as I'm talking. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the video, okay? All right, so y'all gonna be able to see it, screenshot it, put it in your calendars. Make sure you ready at 5 p.m. Eastern time. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Well, I'll see you on a few. Yeah, excuse the wind noise, but I'm about to show y'all a secret to how I get these gains. Hey, what the bag was trying to get me. All right, so I'm about to show you the pre-workout that I use. This is my favorite pre-workout. Yes, I have other good pre-workouts, but this is my favorite. This gets the jobs done. Doesn't give me any type of what is it? Any type of like sickness. Like later on, I don't feel like tired. I don't feel nauseous and all that. This thing, it keep me hyped throughout the day or throughout the night. So you gotta pick and choose when you're gonna take it. I advise you don't take it at night when you have to go to work in the morning. So let's see. Pre-workout that I eat. It's beyond lit. They got different flavors. Fruit punch. I don't like fruit punch. Nothing fruit punch. No, they none. Orange mango, green apple. I might get this green apple just because I like that. They got new Jolly Rancher flavors. Gummy worms are the best, of course. That's the one I usually always get, is gummy worms. They got Swedish fish, tastes just like Swedish fish. Oh wow, they got sweet tart. And this is lit as F. I'm about to try this one. They got more. I think it has more. These are for people that's interested. Has more caffeine in it. More serolin, okay. Beta alanine is what gives you like the itchy type feeling and stuff like that. Peak ATP, I don't know what that is. Ooh, got some good stuff in there. I'm gonna stick to what I know. This is 20 servings, this is 30. So I might try that next. I'll probably buy it with that one, but I'm gonna stick to what I know. I'm gonna go with green apple this time. I'll try that out. Alright, man, so I had to get my pre-workout, bro, because I'm a gym head. I'm a gym rat. That's what I love. I love going to the gym. I go to the gym pretty much every day. Depending on how my body feels, I'm at the gym, you know. So yeah, that's how I get my name Grizzly Marty, not for the cars and stuff, because I go hard in the gym, you feel me? People thought I was Grizzly Marty because of the beard. Nah, that's not because of that, because I'm a grizzly in the gym. Like I don't play around. That's why I let all my energy, all my stress and stuff like that, and I love to have fun. I'm just a goofball. Sometimes I'm just focusing on like what I need to do because I'm focused. That's like my art. That's like my, make sure I make it through here. Like that's my art. That's where I do what I have to do, and that's where I kind of like get away from the everyday things, from YouTube, from work, just on my own world, you know. I just like to have my me time. That's my me time at the gym, pretty much, y'all. So I guess it in the gym. But I'm gonna show y'all some more gym stuff probably in the next video. But I'll see y'all later, man. I ain't really got nothing much to do today. It's gonna be the next day. Tomorrow I have a bunch of things, a bunch of more car things to do. So I just wanted to just talk to y'all, man, to let y'all know when we're gonna do this giveaway, because because the giveaway is gonna be lit. I just can't wait to you know, do something for my Grizzly game, for the people that supported me. I keep saying I need to stop doing that. That's a bad habit to do. So I'll see you on the next one, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't skip none of these ads, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single daggone day, man. See my tongue blue? I had a Jolly Rancher. I like candy too. See, it's bad I like candy. That's how you get fat and stuff like that. But I gotta stop. I will stop one day, you know. But I make sure I drink my water and I drink my fruit. I mean, eat my fruits and veggies and stuff like that. So you gotta have balance when you work out. So peace, man. I'm tired of talking, man. I'll see you on the next one. I need to go chill.